So today we're making a water wheel. That's half of the wheel, and just to show you what we're going to start with first, we're going to cut out those center plastic pieces, and then we're going to lay out some of those vegetable stakes. So one thing you want is these two plates to be flat. Same size. And try to find a roughly flat spot. And then let's start getting some spokes. We need 8 spokes. So I have these tomato stake things for my spokes, and I'm going to cut a 45-degree angle on each side of the spoke to make a point down the center. Try to use your best judgment on material. Find a repeatable way to set this. So there's our first 4. We haven't screwed anything together. And then we've got to make 4 more for those spots. So once you get all your stakes cut, get your first one, set you up something to go at the end of it down there to hold it up so everything's at the same height. And get the tip of it just right on the center. And far enough out, drill your hole. For this wood, I have to drill a hole for it likes to split. And you're going to have to countersink these just a little bit. So then get your next one and set it in here. And get that old square thing. Get it set. Hold it down, make sure it's all nice and flush, all different which ways.
So then once you get one, just keep working your way around. It is sitting on the screws now. Still sitting on that post.
Pieces there in the center, those little 4-inch pieces, ran those all the way around. I have to pre-drill my holes or either my wood splits. And then we ran these other pieces, they're 17-inch pieces. I ran a string from the center and used my Sharpie to put marks all the way around. And then we did the same thing once more, ran my string all the way to go all the way around. And those pieces are 40 and an eighth of an inch or something like that. But from center to those points are all the same. What we need to do is sand down that center spot so that they all line up so we can put the plate on top so it'll mount flush without twisting and bowing everything. down here in the sweet gum jungle, and I've cleared out a spot to put the wheel. This is where the wheel's gonna go, in between these two telephone poles. We might have to clean out a little bit more underneath and discharge into this wet spring, which flows to another lake. We've got our pipe here. We've got another piece of pipe, and we're going to have this as an overshoot. And it goes uphill. It's a 4-inch going to a 6-inch. And if we climb up the hill, which is the dam, it just goes, just tied up in sweet gums. I'll show you the reservoir, lake, whatever you want to call it, our water supply. Dun, 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 dun. So we'll use this for water, for power, for electricity. So for our next video on water wheel, we plan on mounting these two wheels 10.5 inches apart and putting the buckets in, and then putting this shaft together, mounting the wheel on the shaft, and assembling some sort of pulley configuration to be able to run the generator that we're going to run off the water wheel. I've got this old conveyor belt here, and it's got this setup here, so I think we're going to use something like that for the gearbox. Hope to see you in the next video. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching.